welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something I'm super excited about because it's in collaboration with Katie Mack. She's a super awesome stay-at-home mama. She has the cutest little boy named Finley, which I absolutely adore that name. And she's pregnant right now with baby number 2. Does a lot of cleaning and lifestyle videos. She's been doing a lot of pregnancy related videos now that she's expecting baby number 2, and I absolutely adore her. I love her channel, so her video and her channel will be linked down below. Make sure you tell her hi, check out her video, and make sure that you tell her that I sent you. And if you're coming over from Katie's channel, hi, my name is Cassandra. I'm a stay-at-home mama to 2 little girls. London is 3, Lakin is 1. And I kind of share everything motherhood and lifestyle. We're a military family. We're originally from Northeast Wisconsin and currently stationed in upstate New York. So if you're interested in seeing any of that journey, make sure you subscribe and become part of the crew here. But today I'm going to be cleaning out the inside of my refrigerator. This is something I've been meaning to do for weeks. I mentioned this back in my day in the life of a small YouTuber video. I think that was like 2 weeks ago. And I've been putting it off, and putting it off is just one of those things where it's like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow, oh, I'll do it tomorrow, and then you look back and you're sitting back and you're like, I've been saying that I'm going to clean out my fridge. It's been 3 weeks, I still haven't done it. And then it's one of those things where you feel like really bad about yourself because you haven't done it, and you're like, am I really that lazy? Yes, I am that lazy. I have not cleaned out my fridge in weeks, and it needs to be done. So I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. super duper empowered right now. Not because I like accomplished that big of a task, it's just because it's something that's been on my to-do list for forever and I finally got it knocked off. It didn't even take me that long. I think it took me like 10 minutes. So let me know down below what your task is that you guys have been putting off. And let me know. I hope you go out and do it because it feels so good to just finally like done and I don't have to worry about it for a while. But don't forget to check out Katie's channel and her fridge cleaning video. I will leave all of her links down in the description. If I'm really on my game, I'll even leave her Instagram down below. She always has the funniest Instagram stories. I'm watching them, I'm like, girl, yes, I relate 100%. She's the realest human being. She's the sweetest girl, like someone I would totally be friends with in real life. So make sure you go give her some love on her video, and if you are coming over from her channel, I ask that you consider subscribing and sticking around and joining the crew. And of course, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!